how do I film this? Dude. Okay, first up we have the Lewis gun. Oh, do I have to go forward a bit? Ah, there we go. Now we got the blunderbuss. And yes, this isn't the camera lagging, it's the... Here we go. And this... don't worry about that. That was a previous affair. Do not worry about the giant artillery cannon. No, that's nothing. Okay. Now that is taken care of. What else did I bring? I bring the Infinity Gauntlet. Well, I don't know what the frick that power is. I think I'm gonna... Oof. How do I... I'm gonna have to... Okay. Energy beam. Is she T-posing? Yeah, T-pose to assert dominance. Please don't. Please. Oh, well, that activated the nuke in the, This could have gone better. That static, you see? Nah, that's just bad reception.